Today I did these flowers with color clay, and see how easily it is so easy to make with the clay. See, with different colors it will be so beautiful. And these leaves are also with different colors, right? So I'll tell how to make them. Now I am taking 4 different colors of clays, and this is red, blue, green, pink. Okay, now I'll make with these flowers. The different color clay we need to take, and we need to make it as a circle, small circle. Okay, now we need to press like this. Okay, so like this we need to make 7. We need to make like this 7 balls also. Okay, so take one and roll it like this. Okay, now take another one from here. Now take another one. Leave some space so that it will be beautiful. Now take another one. Okay, take another one. See, it should look like this. Now take another one. It's time for the last one, next one. See, it's looking beautiful, right? We need to extend these like this. And you can make of different colors. See, even this blue one. See, we need to make like these leaves. For that, take any color, because leaves will be in different colors, you know. Shape it as a leaf. So now I'll take a chalk. Now after that, let's make a cut. See how beautiful they are? We have arranged everything on plate. See how beautiful they are. These flowers we have made with clay, right? They are so easy to make. So thank you everyone. Bye.